For years, robot vacuums have promised the convenience of automated floor care. But they've often fallen short due to limitations in navigation and obstacle avoidance. Bumping into furniture, getting tangled in wires, and struggling with transitions between floor types are all common frustrations. But a new challenger has emerged, aiming to disrupt the status quo: the Matic Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Unlike its sensor-reliant predecessors, Matic employs a groundbreaking approach that leverages 5 high-resolution RGB cameras. This visual perception system allows Matic to see its environment much like a human does, enabling it to navigate with superior precision and adaptability. Imagine a robot vacuum that can identify a stray electrical cord and gracefully maneuver around it, or recognize a high-pile rug and adjust its cleaning method for optimal performance. This is the vision that Matic brings to life. Matic's camera-based intelligence transcends mere obstacle avoidance. It empowers the robot to distinguish between different floor types. Encountering hardwood floors, Matic seamlessly switches to its vacuuming mode, utilizing optimized suction power and brush roll settings for a deep clean of bare surfaces. Transitioning to carpets, the robot intelligently adjusts its approach, potentially lowering the suction power and raising the brush roll to prevent entanglement with carpet fibers. This dynamic adaptation ensures exceptional cleaning performance across your entire living space. One of the most significant shortcomings of traditional robot vacuums is their inability to address liquid spills. Matic shatters this limitation. Its advanced visual system can not only detect spills, but also differentiate them from solid debris. This allows Matic to navigate around spills to avoid spreading them further. But Matic doesn't stop there. It boasts a dedicated mopping function that can be deployed to tackle liquid messes effectively. This combined vacuuming and mopping functionality positions Matic as a truly comprehensive cleaning solution, a one-stop shop for all your floor care needs. Traditional robot vacuums can be notoriously loud, disrupting your peace and quiet while they clean. Matic prioritizes user comfort with a significantly quieter operation. Through a combination of optimized motor design and intelligent cleaning patterns, Matic achieves a lower noise level, allowing you to work, relax, or converse without being interrupted by the hum of a cleaning session. Additionally, a single charge is designed to deliver extended cleaning cycles, minimizing the need for frequent intervention. The user experience is a central focus in Matic's design philosophy. A self-cleaning mop pad eliminates the requirement for manual cleaning and maintenance, a welcome departure from the messy chore associated with traditional mops. Disposable bins ensure effortless waste disposal, removing the necessity for a bulky docking station that can be an eyesore in a living space. Users can leverage a dedicated app to establish targeted cleaning zones, instructing Matic to focus on specific areas that require extra attention. For those who prefer a truly hands-free experience, voice commands offer the ability to control Matic with simple spoken instructions. While the initial pre-order price of $1,495 positions Matic as a premium offering, it includes a year-long membership that provides a steady supply of replacement parts like mop pads and dust bags. This subscription model ensures users have everything needed to maintain optimal cleaning performance over time, reducing the need to worry about finding compatible replacements or remembering to order them. The membership potentially offers additional benefits down the line, such as access to exclusive features or priority customer support. Despite its groundbreaking features, Matic faces some potential roadblocks that need to be addressed. The initial cost positions Matic as a luxury item compared to established robot vacuums in the market. While the premium features and user experience may justify the price tag for some, it could be a barrier to entry for budget-conscious consumers. The success of Matic's vision hinges on its ability to become more accessible in the future, potentially through the introduction of more affordable models with a targeted feature set. The current iteration lacks integration with popular smart home platforms like Alexa or Google Home. While Matter integration is being explored, its absence at launch may limit functionality for some users who have heavily invested in these ecosystems. Future iterations of Matic would benefit from seamless integration with these established platforms, allowing users to control their robot vacuum alongside other smart home devices within a unified ecosystem. Matic's potential lies in its ability to address long-standing challenges in robot vacuum technology. The camera-based navigation system, multi-surface cleaning capabilities, and focus on user experience position Matic as a potential game-changer. The company's roadmap suggests plans for more affordable models in the future, making this innovative technology more accessible. Backed by prominent figures in the tech industry, Matic presents a compelling vision for the evolution of home robotics, making it a development worthy of close scrutiny by industry professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. As Matic continues to refine its technology and potentially integrates with existing smart home ecosystems, it has the potential to redefine the way we clean our homes, ushering in a new era of automation and convenience.